Okay, so hope you can see that. Here is the preliminary template for the lifting arms, and you can see that it's going to be angled down a little bit. I think the angle is about 70 degrees off the horizontal, or actually it's 35 plus 30, yeah, 70 degrees off the horizontal, so not quite 90 degrees. And I'm going to have actuators supplied by a third party through CT Solutions, which will be a 12-inch lift, and the bucket's going to have a 12-inch dump as well. So that is how these are going to attach. Everything clears, the brakes, the wheels and tires. I'm going to have to run a probably a 5/8 rod from here or here, probably down and over across, and hook it into one of these bolts. I'll weld a washer or some plate on the end of the rod so that we can have a little more security with the lifting of the load. And I've been told this is probably going to handle about 200 pounds. I don't want to put any more weight on the front end than I can avoid, because these are stock 3/4 inch spindles, so I'm not going to take a whole lot of weight. I could put underneath, some small plates to beef up that spindle, but it's not too much of a bend there. I might just leave it and see what happens. So anyway, here is the start of my bucket. It is a 42-inch wide bucket. It is about 14 inches tall. Estimates are probably about a third of a yard, probably 8 to 9 cubic feet of material. Most probably for my project is going to be fill dirt or mulch. So that's how far I've got. Today I'm going to be going ahead and finishing up the back mounting plate, starting the front plate, and building out the arm that goes up. I might make it a little bit wider to clear that I could probably make it a little bit wider to clear that rod that I'm going to have to round. I'm going to put a rod from the top down, but it looks like I might be able to just run down that channel there. We'll see. Alright, stay tuned for the next part.